Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are good and fine. So today I'll tell you about the whenever you write this letter, any letter of Urdu, okay, while mixing and making any words in Urdu, and how it looks in final position, how it looks in medial position, and how it looks initial, and how it looks detachable, or you can say full form. You know already full form because I have told you many times. So please have a look and be careful what I'm going to tell you today. So, as in the book, it starts from the letter Sheen. That is Sheen, you know very well. When Sheen comes in final, it looks like this. Okay, and I want to tell you more thing. Give me 1 minute. Now I'm taking this scene in final how it looks. Okay, whenever I use scene in any word, okay, like roshnas, rosh, this is sheen. Here you can see sheen. Okay, and sheen in the initial, rosh and noon and alif, and then again sheen. And this is the final. Scene and sheen looks like same. Here it is not they are giving the examples. They are giving the example of badi sheen, and but here the scene. But scene and sheen having same, look like same, but it difference by the three dots. Well, it doesn't matter. I'm telling you about the sheen, and it will same for the scene like this. So in this letter, this sheen starts or initial in the initial point or initial position, and this scene in detachable or full form or in the final like this. Okay, so this is all about this. And when you sheen puts in the medial, okay, I'm going to tell you medial. Okay, for this medial, you have to write a word kashish. Kaf, short form, sheen, then again sheen. Kaf and sheen. Ka shi shish. This is final, and this is medial, in medial. Okay, it looks like this medial, and this is initial. You have seen this in initial, it looks this. And again I'm going to write. Okay, this one is initial. So, and this is detachable, and you can say here detachable, or here also detachable. Okay, now take swad. In final it looks like this. I'm going to tell you swad, the full form of swad this, and they are saying in final swad looks like this. Okay, in final. Now if you like, if you write raqs means dance. Re is re, qaf, swad in the final. Then it looks like this is the swad, and this is medial. Now I'm going to write. When you write a letter, or sorry, a word kasba, qaf, swad, be, and choti hai. This is qaf, this is swad, this is be, and choti hai. And this swad comes in this word in medial, and look like this. Okay, so this is the swad. And this swad in initial. Now I'm going to write this initial. When you write a word suba, swad, wow, be, or choti hai, this is suba. Suba means state. So and this is swad in detachable form or in full form, and there is no problem while writing. This is zwad when it comes in final. Now how it looks. Zwad in nubs when you write noon bay and nubs. This is nubs, the heartbeat. You check and put the finger here, you know and this called nubs. This is shows whether you are ill or whether you are not, and heartbeat, it shows heartbeat. This is nubs. So guys, actually similarly you can write all the subject, and you have to understand like this. Whenever you write in final, it look like this, and in medial it look like this, and in initial looks like this, and in detachable it full form looks in the full form. This is swad, sheen. Okay, seen and sheen the same, swad and the same. Okay, and by the difference of one dot. Okay, this is toy, not toy, this is toy. Okay, so this toy, and toy in final position when it comes in the any word, and toy in medial it looks like this. Toy in medial, this. When you write rapt, this is the word. Re, bay and toy, this is, you know and toy in initial it looks in the full form, and toy in final the same full form. Okay, now zoe. Zoe and toy having the same rule. Okay, now and look like this. Okay, in final, and in medial it looks like this. I am going to tell you how it looks when you write. you know when you write dafa, dal, fe, and he, this is the and short form in medial. Okay, and in medial, and and in initial, how it looks when you like umar. Umar means age. Sorry, ein meme re, umar, ein pesh u, and meme re zabar mar, umar, that is age. Then and in the initial, how it look like this. So an initial looks like this, and this is the full form of and the same rule apply will be thus rain. Okay, so no need to no need to say again and again. And now fe, fe in the final, fe in medial. Okay, and fe in initial, how it looks in initial fe. When you write Rafiq means friend. The fe in initial. Okay, this is fe. This is Rafiq, and ye is here, and badi kaf Rafiq. Okay, fe in the initial. A fe in the initial, and fe in the medial, a fe in the last, and fe in the full form, or you can say detachable when it stands alone. And the next letter kaf, or you can say badi kaf in the final. Okay, now I'm going to tell you when you write Rafiq. Okay, re, fe, ye, kaf, this is Rafiq. Okay, Rafiq, here is the kaf in the final, and look like this. Here also look like this, kaf, and kaf in the medial. Okay, and kaf in the initial. I'm going to tell you this both, kaf and initial. When you like kumkuma, kuma, kaf in the initial and kaf in the medial. This is medial, and this is initial, kumkuma. Okay, now calf in the final or detach when it stands alone. And this is the choti calf look likes when it comes in the final, when it comes in medial or in the letter or sorry in the words, and when it comes in the initial calf. I'm going to tell you some instance of calf. Okay, see there. Calf in initial, when you write kahani, this is ka, this is he, and this is alif kaha, and noon ye is a ni, this is kahani. Okay, so here calf in initial, and calf has another form. It looks like this. Which calf? This calf, this one and this one. When it comes in initial and medial, looks like this. And when you like medial, or sorry, final, when you write ek means one, alif ye and kaf, ye for two dots, and this is ek, and this kaf looks like this. Okay, and when you write medial, now kaf looks when you like makka. Okay, this is the makka and kaf in the, and this is choti hai, this is medial. Okay, medial calf looks like this. And calf in the full form, and the same rule applied for the gaf. Okay, and the lam when it comes in final. Okay, now let me write it. When you write kamil means complete. The lam in the final position. Okay, here you can see final, and this is the final in kamil word. And when you write this is also a lam, short form of lam. How it looks when it come in medial. Now when you write kalma means any phrase or any sentence. This is lam, this lam's in medial. Okay, okay. Now and this lam is initial. How it looks when you write lala, lam and alif, lam and alif, lam alif la, lam alif la, this is word lala. And the la, lam in the initial, and lam in the final. Okay, final, or sorry, I mean to say detachable or alone or full form. Now if you write dil, dil means heart, dal lam zer dil, and this is the lam in the full form or detachable. Okay, so guys, next meme. This is meme when it comes in the final. Now how it looks when you write mom, meme, wow, and meme. Actually this is detachable. I would like to tell you this meme. uh, some, when you like some, look likes this. Okay, in Urdu word there is a same is a vegetable. Okay, beans like, and this is seen ye meme, and look likes when it comes in the final position, meme in the final position, and looks like this. Okay, and when you write another word, I would like to tell you another word like come means in English less. This is meme in the final, and meme in the medial. Okay, kamtar, meme tere, kaf meme tere, this is kamtar, and this meme is medial, and looks like this. Okay, kamtar, and this meme is initial. Now this meme and this meme wow mo, and this is initial, and final. You can see here very well, meme in the final, or sorry, detachable or full form. Okay, now Now meme after meme, there is a noon in the final stage. How it looks when you write man. Man means heart. Meme and noon. This is the noon. This is the noon. Sorry, it's moved. Noon, and this is the noon in the final position, and noon in the medial. Uh, it is written in the computer form, and I think it will confuse you. Now let me write. The noon takes in the word in medial. Mamnu. When you write mamnu means forbidden. Meme. Sorry. Okay. Meme, noon, wow, and ayn, and in the last final. This is noon, wow, ayn. This word is mamnu. Mamnu means forbidden. Mamnu, noon in the medial. Medial. This is the medial for the noon. Okay, and noon in initial. How it looks when you write naya, noon, and ye and alif. This is the initial noon. Okay, naya. Yeah, when you write nahi, naya means new, and nahi means no or not. This is the noon. Noon है छोटी है, then ye, then noon gunna. I think I didn't tell you noon gunna about noon gunna. This is the noon. Okay, this sound like an, and this is the noon gunna. This sounds like when you say ja, how to I think this point dot will help or whatever. Okay, when you practice you will learn more. And this is the wow. When wow comes in the final, how it looks when you write co. In English, co is two. Co is two. Two means co. Then calf and wow. Wow in the final position, and wow in the medial. Okay, and wow never comes in medial. Wow comes only this form. Okay, because after wow there is not any letter who will attach from this wow after this. After wow, dal, re, no letter allowed to touch this wow. After wow, no letter allowed to touch. Okay, I hope you got the point what I'm saying right now. So wow in initial and wow in final the same. Like if you like to or alif wow re, here is or. In this you can see the wow in detachable and full form. Okay, or full form, or when it comes in initial, wow looks like this in this. Okay, and here is hey, means hey, or they look hey or hey. This is the same thing. They are not telling, they're telling initially this one and now telling about this one. This is not good for the newcomer or for the beginners of Urdu. This is hey, and hey comes in medial. How it looks? Okay, I'm going to tell you. Hey in medial. Okay, when you write कहना means say. काफ छोटी है, नून अलिफ. uh, Kaf, this is kaf, this is hey, this is noon, this is alif. Hey, कहना means say. In English say, in Urdu कहना. Now this hey used in this medial in the word कहना, and this is hey. And initial, when you like hum means we. When you write hum, hey look likes in initial this form. Okay, hey. Or if you like to write hasna, and hey also looks like this and this same of hey. Okay, now hey in the initial or detached form, like when it comes in hey, when you like guna means crime like Gaf, Noon, Alif, and He. He in this form, the or full form or detach, whatever. Okay. So guys, this is Ye, or you can call it, or you can say it, Choti Ye. Okay, and this is, you know, Choti Ye, how it looks like when it comes in last, it looks like this. When you like write went in Urdu and went in English and in Urdu, gai or gaya. Now, gai for the lady or for the feminine. Okay, and this is gai, and ye is in the final or last position or final position, and the medial is when ye comes in medial like gai. When you write gai, more female went, then it says like gai. And in this ye looks like this is ye gai. Okay, now ye looks like this is ye, and ye choti ye short form is this. Okay, and this short form of choti ye this. Okay, I think you confused, there are lots of dots. This is the short form of ye or comma ye, this one. This also ye, this is short form, this is medial, and this is starting or initial of short form of ye, and this is uh, final or you know only final. Okay, well, and this is full form, and nobody writes it. Okay, because only this form or this form or this form only in final. And this is badi ye. Now when you write gai, gai means went for the male, gai, and plural male, many men went, that's called gai. This is gai, and here you can see badi ye looks badi ye with the mixing form. Okay, gaf, and again ye, and this badi ye, and it never comes in the form of medial and initial, because badi ye only comes in the last and on in the full form. Okay, and ye never comes in, badi ye never comes in the initial, but choti ye initial also comes in, initial also comes in this form and this form and this never form, because you will never look this ye, I think rarely used or no use, you can say. So guys, this is the this is for the only seen, shin, swa, zwa, to, and all that. He, choti ye, badi ye. Okay, and this part is left from alif to actually I started from this side. I should start from right side, because in Urdu starts from right side, alif here and seen here, and badi shin here and swad here. So no problem, guys. Now guys, it turns I have finished this this column, all the letters, and now we'll finish this. Actually I started from that place, this column I had to start it from this place, or from alif be. It means like in English ABCD, this is in Urdu alif be pe te. Okay, so it's okay, no problem. You know that alif, name of letter alif here, be, name of letter be in English, pay, name of letter pay. But this column is showing that when alif comes in any word in a final, okay, in final position, you can say be, when it comes in final position it looks like this. Okay, and this is this column shows that when the letters comes in the word, after making any word or after mixing the letters, it looks like in medial this, be looks like this, pe looks like this, te looks like this, and te looks like this. So when it comes any comes from initial or starting, okay, alif looks like this and be looks like this, okay, and pe looks like this. Don't be confused be and pe, in Urdu, no, none of the letters having same symbols, okay. If it looks be and pe same, but just because of dotted, be having one dot and pe having three dots, so it differentiate themselves, okay, very easily. Okay, you can recognize very easily by the counting of dots, be having one and pe having three, and they having two but above it, and they having the a special and special character on that, upon it, okay. And say having three, okay. If say comes below this symbol, it becomes pay, but it can't be say having upper and pay having dots below. So Jim, Jim. So I'm going to give some instances of the words which are coming and between and all that. When I like to write wala, wala, wow, alif, lam, and this is alif. Okay, this is alif, and it looks like this. Okay, alif. Or when you write to when you like to write like gaya means went for male, gaf, ye, and alif. And here this is the alif in final, okay, this and this, when you cut it looks like this, okay. And alif in medial, okay. Alif never comes medial, it's only comes this form, okay, like this. Alif not medial, okay. And in final position, you can also java. If you like to write in Urdu, java, jim alif zabar ja, wow, and alif. This is the final stage as it is given in the book, okay. And here is the, not in the middle, but you can say uh, okay, final with touching, okay, alif touched with ya, okay. So this looks like this and this, having same character or same shape. Now initial I'm going to write. If you would like to, if you like to write anar, alif, noon, re. This is anar, alif zabar a, noon alif zabar na, re, nothing on the re, any zabar zir pesh, then it's called jazm. Jazm denotes that re having no zabar zir pesh. I will tell about zabar zir pesh, all about that, okay, after some days or in next videos, next coming videos. So guys, you can say here is the alif and it stands like this or like this, initial or like this. There is a full form, this is also a full form. So has the bay in final. Now starts from this bay when it's alone, okay. Like when you write you like when you write ab, okay, alif and bay, this is ab. And here is the bay, look like elf detached, okay. And if you like initial, bay in initial, then if you like bahar or bayaban, this one be, ye, and alif attached to ye, be, ye, alif, and then be and noon, okay. This is the word bayaba, it means like jungle and all that, and silence. This is bayaba. And stillness, you can also say stillness. This bay okay, showing this shape, and medial bay looks like this. Like, I think you have ever heard about Badshah Akbar of Mughal emperor. If you like his name, like Akbar, Alif, Kaf, Bay, and Ray, and this is Bay. This is Bay, and it looks like this. Okay, and now this is Pay, and Pay initial or stands alone or detached. It looks like this or full form, and Pay initial. And I would like to tell you something like this. Bay, okay, Bay and Pay and Te and Say and one Te. I think Te left. Te has to be there. Well, this all the writing rules and laws, okay, applicable same, but it only recognized pay te differently, just because of your bay having one dot below it, and pay having three dots, and te having two dots above it, say three dots, and te having the special character like this. Okay, but all the medial, that, but all the initial, initial, medial, and final having the same rule applied. So we'll start from Jim, and also Jim, Che, and Hey having the same rule applied, and Hey. Okay, now I'm going to tell you Jim. When it comes alone, it looks like this, and when it comes initial, it looks like this. I'm going to tell you one instance or one example of Jim when it comes initial. Okay, this is Jim in full form, and this is Jim when initially starts with any when any words start with the Jim in initial, it looks like this, and I'm going to use it here. If you like to Jama, Jim, Meme, and Ain, this is Jama, and here is the Jim. Okay, and if you like to Jamna, this is Jamna, freezes and becomes ice cube. Jim, Meme, and Noon, Alif, Jamna, this is Jamna word, and here is the initial of the Jim of this shape. And when it comes in between or medial, now Jim, how it looks in medial when it writes in a word, you know if you like Hajam, this is choti hai Jim and Meme, Hajam. I think its meaning is volume, okay, in English. And if anyone's name is Sajjan, or Sajjan means in Hindi a man, so it looks like Seen, Jim, and Noon, and this is Sajjan. Okay, and Jim, it look like this, this one, this one. This is initial, this is medial, and this is in the last. How it looks? If you like to write a word, Raij, Re, Alif, Hamza, here is the Hamza, and here is the Jim, and it looks like, this. Look like this. And now I would, I told you that for the writing, for the writing laws, all are applicable same as Jim, Che, He, and Khay, but only the dot, only the not having dot in He, and not, and more, I mean to say three dots in Che and one dots in Jim. Okay, only recognized by these dot and having not dot. Okay, like having not dot, like He. So now all the writing shape are same, just like Jim, Che, He, He. Okay, now if you know I'm going to tell you that if you guys, this is dal, and here is the dal full form, and dal in initial. Okay, I dal. This is dum. Dum means, okay, dum means actually breath, breath or take breath, okay, or dum means life. So here is the letter dum, and dal looks like in initial, okay, like this and like this, and dal when in medial, okay, how it looks. If anyone's name is Hamid, then how it looks? Hey, alif zabar ha and mim and dal. This is dal, okay, Hamid. And I want to tell you that after dal, after re, ze, re, and le, it never joins, okay, never joins from next letter after it. It means whenever dal, like whenever dal, re, ze, re, or you can say re, I think I mentioned. After this, any, okay, any letter can't be touched this, okay. If any letter comes, then we have to write without touching the this dal, re, ze, dal, zal, वगैरह, etc. Okay, never joins from next letter after dal, you know, after dal, zal, re, ze, re, and this three types, three dotted ze, and all that, okay. So here again I can say that all the writing shapes of dal, zal, re, and ze, and this ze are the same, you know, same. Now I'm going to tell the last of this column, scene, you know. And I've told you earlier, scene, the you know, the shape of writing in words of half and initial and medial, and in the final position, it looks like sheen. As I told you, you know, sheen looks like this, and it's also looks like this, okay. And only differentiate it by the three dots, you know. As you know, seen and sheen same, but only three dots. By the way, all the short forms, all the initial, medial, having the same rule for writing in any words with mixing with letters, okay. So guys, I hope you know, you knew something today, and you can take a snapshot of that page, of this page. This is the first snapshot, okay, the first snapshot, toy and te, and this is the second snapshot you can take. Here is a lamb, here is a lamb, here is a dal, okay. And this is the last snapshot, okay. And here you can read it very well. The full form is called the detached form, okay. So guys, I hope you learned something, and now I'm going to tell you goodbye. Take care. Bye bye.